It's a bonus edition of the Book Club for Kids. Hi, I'm Kitty Feldy. September is the perfect time of year to start a new habit. How about 15 minutes a day reading a book that you want to read? Well, if you need some suggestions, give a listen. We're going to hear from kids at the City of STEM LA Maker Faire about books that they love to read. So what's on your list, you guys?
Hello, my name is Noah. My favorite book is Projekt 1065 by Gratz, and I really like it because there's a lot of plot twists and it plays with your emotions.
Hi, my name is Jillian. I'm an 8th grader at Dodson Middle School, and my favorite book is Little Women because it was able to teach me a lot of lessons.
Like what?
It taught me a lot about how to treat others and how to respect them.
Which of the sisters do you most identify with?
I'd say Jo. she was really her and Lori. Their relationship was really nice to read about.
You gonna cut your hair off?
Maybe.
Hi, my name is Kirsten. I'm Mariella, and we are 8th graders from Dodson Middle School. Our favorite book is The Light in Hidden Places because the author uses very good tone and mood to explain how the characters felt during the Holocaust.
That's not exactly the most cheerful book I can think of. Tell me why you like to read serious books.
Well, this book, we actually had to read it for our class, but it actually, I felt the emotion from the characters through the book. I didn't really think, because I don't enjoy reading that as much, but that book really made me interested in the events that happened during the Holocaust and World War II and how they affected people in Europe. Yeah, and it also taught us a lot about how specific aspects of the Holocaust and how certain people felt, and it brought us more into detail than what we would have learned in history class.
Mm-hmm. Hello, my name is Daniel. I go to O'Donovan, and my favorite book is Diary of the Wimpy Kid.
Tell me why Jeff Kinney is so funny.
Cause I just grew up watching, almost all my family members just grew up reading that book, and I watched the movie too, and almost all of the books.
Why do we like that book so much?
Cause it's just funny. It's not that hard to read, and it's just a childhood book for me.
Hello, my name is Nathan. I'm from O'Donovan, and I'm in 6th grade.
And what's your favorite book?
Diary of the Wimpy Kid. Because I watched the movie, and I almost read like 3 books of it.
Well, if you saw the movie, you might read one book if you liked it. How come you kept reading more books in the series?
It's because it's entertaining and really fun to read.
Hello, my name is Nancy, and I go to O'Donovan, and I'm in 8th grade. My favorite book is Princess in Black.
How come?
I don't know. I just like how she's in her own world and how she could change from being a princess to a hero.
Would you like to be either a hero or a princess?
I like to be a princess.
How come?
I don't know.
I mean, I think about it. Yeah, it sounds really good, but castles are cold and drafty, and the dresses probably aren't that comfortable. And
I don't know.
Hello, my name is Onus. I go to grade 7 Alliance College Ready Middle School Academy 4. My favorite book is The Magical Factory, which is an audiobook.
How come?
There's a boy that lives with not with a poor family, but it's he thinks it's his parents, but not his actual parents, which, assumption. But he's super creative than his parents and his brother, which is a bully to him. So the main character, Oliver Blue, goes to his first day to school. I don't know where, but he goes, and it's super windy, what just happened yesterday. He entered a trash can, and that trash can went, meow.
So why do you like this book?
Inventions. And also he's trying to do the impossible.
And would you like to both create inventions and do the impossible?
Ish.
Hello, my name is Tyga. I'm from Dawson Middle School, and my favorite book is Diary of a Wimpy Kid.
How come?
Because there's a lot of short segments in it, and all of the stories are really funny. The funniest part is one of the book's ending. It was a story about how the main character was bad at sports, and then he chucked up the last shot in basketball from half court, backward, and then he made it, and then everyone was cheering for him. Yeah, and that part was like really surprising, and like it was a really cool ending because he was always like the underdog, he was always the bad one in the team.
This episode is made possible by a grant from the LA County Department of Arts and Culture as part of Creative Recovery LA, an initiative funded by the American Rescue Plan. And if you are looking for a way to celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month, check out the Fina Mendoza Mysteries podcast. It's the story of the 10-year-old daughter of a congressman who solves mysteries inside the U.S. Capitol. It also introduces civics to kids. The podcast is based on the Fina Mendoza Mysteries series of books, which are out in both English and Spanish, and we'll have a link in our show notes. That's the Fina Mendoza Mysteries podcast, wherever you listen to podcasts. I'm Kitty Feldy. Thanks so much for listening.